to the educators, where learning meets inspiration.
Today we invite you on a virtual tour of the educator. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. As you enter through our welcoming gates, you will notice beautiful landscape surroundings.
Now, let's step into the admin office of the educators.
Our dedicated admin office is the backbone of the school, ensuring smooth operations and efficient communication. Here you'll find friendly admin staff ready to assist with any inquiries, enroll procedures, or general support needed by students and parents.
Now, let's visit the principal's office.
The principal's office proudly displays students' achievements, showcasing their talents through shields and trophies. Our school head is a beacon of leadership and inspiration with a dynamic approach. They steer our education journey towards excellence. Their powerful introduction is marked by commitment to fostering a vibrant learning environment, empowering both students and staff to reach new heights of success. Our campus has been recognized as the best campus for the past 6 years and has been designated as a star campus.
Let's explore our computer lab, where the digital future comes to life.
Our computer lab is equipped with the latest technology, providing students with the tools to explore essential digital skills. Here, innovation and creativity thrive as students engage in hands-on learning experiences.
This is our school library.
The library is a place where students can delve into a world of literature, research, and self-discovery.
This is our bio lab. Physics lab.
Our science labs provide hands-on experiences that develop curiosity and passion for exploration. Our classrooms are dynamic spaces designed to foster creativity and collaboration. Dedicated teachers bring lessons to life, creating an engaging and supportive learning environment for our students.
This is our playground.
Beyond traditional play, our playground also features outdoor learning spaces. Teachers often take lessons outdoor, providing a dynamic and refreshing environment for students to connect with nature while exploring educational concepts.
This is our Fatima Junior Campus,
Our campus is heaven for young minds.
providing a nurturing environment where curiosity and imagination flourish.
Our commitment to fostering a love for learning begins right here. In our colorful classrooms, dedicated teachers create engaging lessons that cater unique needs of junior learners.
Now, let's step into enchanting world of our preschool.
As you enter our preschool, you'll be embarrassed by an atmosphere of warmth and community. Our goal is to make the first steps into education memorable and delightful for both children and parents. Our preschool features interactive learning centers that cater to various development areas, from fine motor skills to early literacy and numeracy. These centers are designed to make learning fun and engaging for our young students.
This is our preschool playground.
Play is at the heart of our preschool philosophy.
Where children can run, climb, and play freely. Other activities contribute to physical development and social skills.
Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of the educator.
If you are ready to embark this journey with us, join us today. We can't wait to welcome you in the educator family.
The Educators, a project of Beacon House.